In this sum, they have given us and they have said to prove that sine alpha plus sine beta plus sine gamma is 0 and cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma is 0. So here what I am doing, I am cross multiplying these two. So in the left hand side we are going to get and in the right hand side we are left with minus 3. Minus 3 can be written as minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Is it clear? Now I am taking this 3 minus 1s in the left hand side and we are getting Is it clear? Now see this sum very sincerely. What I am doing here, in place of this 1 I am writing sine square alpha plus cos square alpha. Is it clear? In place of sine I am writing only s and for cos I am writing c. So sine square alpha plus cos square alpha is basically 1 and that this 1 has been replaced by this. The second one is replaced by sine square beta plus cos square beta and the third one is replaced by sine square gamma plus cos square gamma. Am I correct? And the remaining is 2 cos alpha minus beta, which can be written as, I am opening this bracket, cos alpha minus beta. I am using the formula cos A minus B. That will give you cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. For the second one, it will be cos A, that is cos beta, cos gamma plus sin beta, sin gamma. Okay. And for the third one, it is cos gamma, cos alpha plus sin gamma, sin alpha. Am I correct? Which is equals to 0. Now, if I open the bracket and if we take sine square alpha plus sine square beta plus sine square gamma in one bracket, along with that we are taking 2 sine alpha sine beta, 2 sine beta sine gamma, 2 sine gamma sine alpha, okay, in one bracket, and in another bracket we are taking cos square alpha, cos square beta, cos square gamma plus 2 cos alpha, cos beta, 2 cos beta, cos gamma, 2 cos gamma, cos alpha. Am I correct? Which is equals to 0, right? Now, for both of these brackets, we are having the formula like a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, which is nothing but your a plus b plus c whole square. So for the first bracket it is sine alpha plus sine beta plus sine gamma whole square plus cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma whole square, which is equals to 0, right? Now, since the sum of two square terms is equals to 0, it is possible for real values, it is possible when individually they are equals to 0. Therefore, from here we can write sine alpha plus sine beta plus sine gamma, which is equals to 0, which is equals to cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma. Am I correct? And that is what they have said to prove. Okay? So when cos alpha minus beta plus cos beta minus gamma plus cos gamma minus alpha equals to minus 3 by 2, this is the way how we prove that the sum of sine alpha plus sine beta sine gamma as well as for cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma, they are individually equals to 0. Have you understood this problem clearly? Absolutely. Okay. Now, let me just give a little twist to this sum. And what I want to do is, though it is not related with the problem which is given to us, I am just moving one step ahead. What I am trying to do is, I will prove this in the reverse way. That is, if the question is given something like this, that if sine alpha plus sine beta plus sine gamma, it is equals to 0, is equals to cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma. This is what is given to us now. In this sum, we have proved this. When what they have given you? That cos alpha minus beta plus cos beta minus gamma plus cos gamma minus alpha equals to minus 3 by 2. Am I correct? This what they have given. They have given you in this problem, they have given you this thing and we have been said to prove this. Now what I am doing is, in this question, now what I am saying is, we have been given this and we have to prove that this is equals to minus 3 by 2. Is it clear? It is just the reverse of this problem which is given to us. So, let me start with the given condition. Here they have given sine alpha plus sine beta is nothing but minus sine gamma. So, if I square both sides, we are going to get, if we square both sides, we are going to get sine square alpha plus sine square beta plus 2 sine alpha sine beta is equals to sine square gamma. Is it correct? And from the second one, we are getting cos alpha plus cos beta is minus cos gamma. So if I square both sides, we are going to get cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus 2 cos alpha cos beta equals to cos square gamma. Now if I add the corresponding sides, we are getting in the left hand side sine square alpha plus cos square alpha, which will give you 1, sine square beta plus cos square beta, which will give you 1. So in the left hand side, we are getting, after adding 2 plus 2 cos alpha cos beta plus sine alpha sine beta, which will give you cos alpha minus beta, which is equals to, in the right hand side, sine square gamma plus cos square gamma, which will give you 1. So from here we are getting cos alpha minus beta is equals to minus half. Is this clear? Absolutely. Now you think, in the same way, if I take sine beta in the right hand side, and from here if we take cos beta in the right hand side, we are going to get cos gamma minus alpha. From that case, we will get cos gamma minus alpha equals to minus half. Is it clear? And if we take sine alpha in the right hand side, and from here if we take cos alpha in the right hand side, and then if we proceed exactly in the same way, we are going to get cos beta minus gamma, which will be equals to minus half. Is it right? Now if you add it up, if you add the corresponding sides of these three equations, we are going to get minus 3 by 2. Is it clear to all of you? So the first question which is given to us in this, that we have done, and we have done the same sum in the reverse form. That is, what has been given to prove, we have taken that thing as our condition, and what is given in the condition in this sum, we have taken that thing to be proved. Is it clear? So, have you understood this? Absolutely. In this sum, they have given us cot alpha minus beta by cot alpha plus cos square gamma by cos square alpha equals to 1, and we have to prove that tan square gamma plus tan alpha cot beta equals to 0. Is it clear to all of you? Okay, so I'm starting with the given condition, which is this one. And what I'm doing here is, I'm taking this cot alpha minus beta by cot alpha in the right hand side. And I'm converting this cot in all sine and cos. So what we are getting basically is now if I take the LCM will be sine alpha minus beta cos alpha. So in the numerator we are getting sine alpha minus beta cos alpha minus cos alpha minus beta sine alpha. Is it clear? Now in the numerator, if you observe, we will find that it is nothing but your sine A cos B minus cos A sine B, which gives you sine A minus B. So what we are getting basically here is sine A is here alpha minus beta minus alpha divided by sine alpha minus beta cos alpha, right? So this cos and cos goes off. So we are left with what? Cos square gamma is nothing but sine minus beta cos alpha divided by sine alpha minus beta, which gives you minus sine beta cos alpha divided by sine alpha minus beta. Is it clear? That is what we got as cos square gamma. Therefore, your sine square gamma will be, what is sine square gamma? It is 1 minus cos square gamma. So which gives you 1 plus sine beta cos alpha divided by sine alpha minus beta. So which gives you what? Sine alpha minus beta plus sine beta cos alpha divided by sine alpha minus beta. Am I correct? Have you understood this till this? Okay. Now, sine alpha minus beta, if I open, we will get sine alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sine beta. Cos alpha sine beta minus cos alpha sine beta and plus cos alpha sine beta will go off. So we will be left with sine alpha cos beta divided by sine alpha minus beta. Tell me whether you have understood this or not. Absolutely? Okay. So we got cos square gamma, we got sine square gamma. Is it clear? Now we have to find out tan square gamma. So for that, I am dividing sine square gamma by cos square gamma. So if we divide sine square gamma by cos square gamma, we are going to get sine alpha cos beta divided by minus sine beta cos alpha. So we are getting here as minus tan alpha cot beta. Is it clear? Now you take the right hand side part in the left hand side. So we are getting tan square gamma plus tan alpha cot beta, which is equals to 0, and that is the thing which is required to proved. Have you understood this problem clearly?